like you got some sense. Hey guys, it's Chris and Jasper. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be reviewing the ScoopFree Self Cleaning litter box. So if you have any questions about it, you want to know if it's worth it because it's so expensive, we are going to answer that for you today. Ooh, you're so cute. You are being so cooperative. I'm so glad. Wow. So first of all, let me say I love cats. If you haven't noticed, if you follow me on Instagram at all, you'll see my cats. I have 6 cats right now. Okay, let me show y'all all the cats. Say hi, Ralph. Say hi. Hi, Shadow. So with 6 cats, you can imagine we're scooping a lot of litter around here. So my husband is usually the person that scoops most of the litter boxes. I help out, of course, because they're my cats too. But he had actually brought up the idea of getting a self-cleaning litter box months and months ago, but I initially shot that idea down because I was like, no, it's so expensive, you know, we can just keep using the litter we've been using, it's not gonna be worth it, you know, all that. And so I went to a friend's house and she has a self-cleaning litter box for one of her cats, so I got to see it in action. And you know what? My mind was changed and I became really curious about the ScoopFree litter box, so we ordered one. So the first, we ordered 2 actually in the long run, but the first one that we ordered was it's not the second generation one, so I guess like the regular one. We didn't get the one with the lid just in case, because to me, looking at the website, it looks like maybe it was too small. Like I didn't want my cats to be turned off from going into the litter box, because I'm not about to spend all this money for them not to use the litter box. So again, so we got the first one that we purchased did not have the hood. It's the first generation one, so it didn't have the counter, but it's just the standard basic one. All right, so when we brought the litter box home to help the cats kind of get used to it, what my friend suggested is put a little piece of their poop in the litter box and try to put just a little bit of their old litter in and mix it with it. And then I also put some of the litter crystals in with their regular litter just to kind of help their paws and stuff get used to the feel of it, you know, get the scent in there. I even sprayed a little bit of catnip spray into it just to get them to kind of get curious about it and step in there. Also, I forgot to mention where we placed the ScoopFree. We've placed the ScoopFree litter box next to one of the regular litter boxes too, so they could get used to the idea of them being together. Forgot to mention that. Jasper was the first cat to actually use the litter box. He is the leader of the cats in our household. They learn a lot of their behaviors from him, so I'm glad he was on board with it because he's helped the other cats kind of get interested in it and actually use it too. And tell us what you thought about it. What did you think about it? I thought it was great. I know I don't look like it, but it was great. Thank you for your commentary. You can go now. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so Jasper really liked it, and like I said, the other cat, or like he said, the other cats followed suit and they began using the box. So once we saw that, okay, they're using it, it was so, even having just one less box to scoop, it was such a huge relief. So we ended up ordering a second one. Now the second one that we ordered, we did get the litter box with the hood because I know some of the cats prefer like one like that. I like the second one that we got, the second generation one, more because it has a counter, so that way you can see how many times the litter box has actually been used, and then now we have kind of an idea of when it gets to 60 uses or however many uses, we know it's time to change the tray. All right, now here's something to note about the litter box. So it uses the silica litter crystals, and it comes with a tray that you would just throw away. What we ended up doing is buying the reusable tray, and I'll show you that. So when you're done with the reusable litter tray, you'll dump the litter out, you'll wash the reusable litter tray, put more litter back in there, and put it back in the box. So that's really nice. Now in terms of the price of the reusable litter, it lasts, first of all, let me say, it lasts for a super long time. It's excellent when it comes to odor control. The price of, let me see, the price of it, I think it's like $16.99, but I'll link the litter down below for you as well. You can, I have seen the litter in actual pet stores like Pet Supermarket and PetSmart even, or you can order it online on Chewy.com or Amazon or something like that. Hey y'all, Future Chris here. So as I'm watching the footage back, I realized I forgot to mention, so the box self-scoops about 7 minutes after your pet exits the box. That way they have time to use it and then get out without being snagged by the self-scooping mechanism. And then also another awesome thing about this is you don't have to worry about the dust particles like with traditional litter. So if you're someone with allergies like me, this is a good option. Personally, I do think it's worth it. We both have allergies, but I love cats. So I'm interested in getting another one perhaps for our room. We'll always, though, keep at least 1 or 2 of the regular litter boxes because, you know, I know cats have preferences too, so we want to give them options, but it definitely makes keeping their boxes clean, keeping it smelling good in here, it makes it so much easier, and I would recommend it. So after I ordered it, I should have done this before, but I saw another review and one of the girls was saying that it can be kind of expensive if you have multiple cats. I don't think so. I don't see it being that way. I feel like we spend really about the same amount on litter. Now, of course, once you get all the supplies and stuff, yeah, it's gonna set you back a little bit, but I think that in the long run, the litter box is worth it. We've had it for over a month now, and we just changed the tray. We got it up to, I wanna say like 70 uses or so. No smell, no odor, they were still using it. And another cool thing about the litter crystals is it changes color, so you can kind of see like if there's something abnormal in like your cat's urine, you would know. Now there's only one con that I can think of about the litter boxes in the ScoopFree litter system, and that's like I wouldn't use it for like a kitten or something because their turds are so small. But like if your pet has like smaller turd particles, you know, it doesn't always get those out. But again, with the odor control, like you really don't smell it. That's my opinion. But that's just been our experience so far. Like I said, links to everything will be down below. If you have any questions or anything that I didn't answer in the video, I tried to answer and address the things that I was kind of curious about when I was looking at reviews and stuff like that. Like I'm the kind of person, I want to buy something with 5-star reviews. Like that one 1-star review like will make me second guess the hundreds of 5-star reviews. But if this is the sign you needed, you know, if you're like that too, I'd say go for it. But as for always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.